Andito ako sa Yula because I will buy some smoothie machine so I can have my smoothie because I sell the smoothie machine in Philippines, one of my bags. So let's get inside. Hi, mister. It's the smoothie is that way. The back. So I go to that. Håkan, it's over there. So here is where the tools are. So if you are a tool person, so you have this one here, and I think this one is generator. It's a generator, big one. And then there's a lot of tools. Oh, there also is a lot of tools. And there's a hammer. Keeping some hammer. And I think that's one. Here's a ceiling fan. It's really warm, so you need a fan. Here's a fan is, and there's a toilet also area here. This is some AC. Oh, it's for the it's a backpack. Let's buy. Oh, there. It's for shower. Let's buy for the shower. Actually, we already bought one for our new house, and probably we will buy more because we have good quality here. But the question is, the problem is the transport. And here it is. This is me. Hi. Here also is a shower. That's a shower. A big. It's like electric. Yeah, here. Actually, this one is perfect if you have some garden at home. Yung nasa garden lang na siya. We have this one is in Philippines. So it's time to buy new one also. And is for some working clothes. We have some, so it's all clothes for working people. Oh, and this one is everything's about if you are working, you need some working clothes to be. Here is the grilling stuff. We can go there. Hi, let's go show point little honey. So show and little. This is what I like in our. We have the swimming pool, a small one. It's a dream. It's a dream. And now some smoothie. Here, this is smoothie. Here, Håkan. Here's the smoothie. Now let's buy the smoothie. I'm back again. Anyway. Actually, I have already liked this in. I did send it on my LiQWYD box, but I needed one here in Sweden, in Stockholm. because I bought a lot of fruits and it's summer, so I want to make some smoothie, and I have some strawberries, so I'm thinking about buying the like this. So we will buy like this. And this one is a big one, and I don't need to have a bigger one, so because I have that before in Philippines, so I will just a simple. So we will buy this, and let's go to the cashier. So guys, let's buy the power bank because it's my power bank is broken, so let's buy it. Hi guys, nasa bahay na ako. Mag-unbox tayo na blender, and then let's make a watermelon shake. So, let's open it. So, ito na siya. It's just simple. Blender. And stick cover. So it was the same as I have in the one I sent it to Philippines. I need it for my shake. So let's start to make the shake now. Just shake na tayo. So, shake na tayo.